Hey everyone, it's Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After, and today I have a new pattern reveal that is in my shops now, and that is the women's cozy loafer slippers. So these, I loved making them and I love even more wearing them because they are really cozy, comfy. And why? Because of this like so soft faux fur edging that I put on these. So they come in size 5 through 10. So it's got, and these suckers stretch. So if you, and truth be told, my husband has confiscated these already. He's using them. He's going to be wearing them around the house, so I'm gonna have to make more. But these guys like stretch a lot, and I'm a size 10 in women's and he's like a size 11 in men, and these suckers stretch to fit him. So they definitely, if your feet are bigger, you should not have a problem fitting into them. If they're smaller on the gauge, just go down in hook sizes or use smaller yarn, like get a sport weight and do the 10 size. Like you can make it work if you have smaller feet. It might take a little trial and error, but it should work out. So these are made, this is Lion brand homespun, and I love Lion brand homespun for the way it looks, but I never use it, and it's because it's just a weird yarn. It's got, let me find some of it really quick. Hold on. Okay, so if you've never seen Lion brand homespun, you can see it's got this like kink to it. So it's got like this kind of spirally looking thing, and that's how the yarn is. And it's a bulky weight yarn, and I don't use it for a lot of projects because it's kind of one that you don't see the stitch pattern really well because of how the yarn is. So if you were doing like a lacy shawl or something, it's gonna distort your stitch pattern. But for slippers where you want it dense, because it makes it really dense, where you want it dense and you don't need to see the stitch pattern, like it's perfect. This is like the perfect yarn for some slippers, and I'll probably be making more slipper patterns with this yarn. So, and it's super reasonably priced, like you can't go wrong. And then the fur is also Lion brand, and it's called Go for Faux and Sparkle. So this is the sparkle version, and I just got that because it was the only one they had at my Joann's. I live in a yarn desert. I have one Joann and it's really small, so I make do with what I have. But the sparkle's kind of cute. It's super subtle. Like it's not like you can't totally see it, so it's not like you're blinging out while you're walking through the house. But I love the feel of it. It's so soft. So these are intermediate, but mostly because of like the shaping on the sole and kind of the shaping on the top of it. But I go through the pattern. There's charts for all of the soles. There's 3 different sizes, and then just written pattern for the rest of it, but it's not difficult. If you follow the pattern, it's really not difficult. And they're just really comfy. So these are in the shop now. The description link below will get you to Etsy and Ravelry, where I sell all of my patterns. And then one thing that I always forget to talk about is my pattern membership. So I have like 200 patterns that I sell. I'm like close, I should actually like see how many I'm at right now. I'm close to 200, and I have a pattern membership where you can subscribe monthly or yearly to get like 5 extra months for free, and you get all of my patterns for the whole month or the whole year, or for however long you subscribe, and all of the new patterns that come out. So it's like a really good deal. The monthly is less than the price of 2 patterns, so it's a really, really good deal. So I have a link in the description about that as well, so you can check that out. But these are the cozy slippers. Go check them out in the description if you like seeing pattern reveals and free patterns and reviews and stitch refreshers and stitch tutorials. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After, and thank you for watching.